Hello everyone. So let's solve another SQL problem of LeetCode. They have given us the activity table in which player ID, device ID, event date and games played column is given. And player ID and event date is the primary key combination of columns with unique values of this table. So it is a composite primary key. Now this table shows the activity of players of some games. Each row is a record of a player who logged in and a player a name of games before logging out on some day using some device. Write a solution to find the first login date for each player. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. So over here there are different players are there who is playing multiple games on different devices on some particular date, right? Now we have to identify the first login date for each of the player. So if you see for the player ID 1, which is the first login date, is it the 1st March 2016 is the first login date, right? Because it is a minimum of event date. Then for player ID 2, only one date is there. And for player ID 3, 2nd March is the first login date, right? So if you see for player ID 1, this is a first login date. Then by default it is only one date, so it will become first login date. And for this player ID 3, this will become the first login date. So over here by each of the player we need to find minimum of event date, right, to identify the first login date. So let me select this solve this problem. Select star from, let me select the data from this table. Okay, now we need to take player ID, right? Then minimum of login date. Sorry, it's a event date, right? Not login date. Group by player ID. Now let's me execute this query. So right, this is the same output it is showing in the expected output, right? So our solution is fine, correct? So thank you so much everyone. We will meet again with the another SQL problem of LeetCode as soon as possible. Thank you.